The sky is about to change. A new era of aerial warfare is dawning, one that will redefine what it means to control the skies. For decades, the F-22 Raptor ruled the skies, setting the standard for stealth, speed, and agility. But as threats evolve and adversaries develop new technologies, the future demands more than just incremental improvements. Enter the F-47, centerpiece of the Next Generation Air Dominance or NGAD program, a complete reimagining of air combat. This is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution in design, capability, and strategy. The F-47 isn't just another stealth fighter, it's a leap forward, designed to dominate the most contested airspaces on Earth. Its shape, sensors, and systems are all optimized for survival and lethality in environments where no other aircraft could operate safely. Its mission: achieve and maintain absolute control of the air, flying faster, higher, and further than anything before, all while remaining nearly invisible to enemy detection. The F-47 is engineered to outpace, outmaneuver, and outthink any adversary. Unlike previous jets, the F-47 is the core of a networked family of systems, acting as the quarterback for a team of autonomous drone wingmen. This integration of manned and unmanned assets is a game-changer, allowing the pilot to command a digital squadron in real time. These drones extend its reach, carry extra munitions, and perform dangerous tasks that would be too risky for a human pilot. They can scout ahead, jam enemy radar, or deliver precision strikes deep behind enemy lines. And in the heat of battle, they can even sacrifice themselves to protect the manned jet, intercepting incoming missiles or drawing enemy fire away from the F-47. This approach multiplies capabilities and distributes risk, fundamentally changing air combat. The result is a force that is more flexible, resilient, and unpredictable than ever before. The Air Force has already flown a full-scale demonstrator, proving the technology works and that the future is closer than many realize. The F-47 is more than hardware. It's the embodiment of a new American strategy for air supremacy, blending cutting-edge innovation with bold vision. The future of air dominance is arriving sooner than many think. The F-47 NGAD is set to change the balance of power in the skies for generations to come. The F-47's performance specs are top secret, shrouded in layers of military secrecy and speculation. Only a select few know the true extent of its capabilities, but what has emerged is enough to change the landscape of aerial warfare. Its capabilities are nothing short of game-changing, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in modern combat aviation. Expect sustained supersonic flight, supercruise, covering vast distances quickly and efficiently, without the need for afterburners. This means the F-47 can respond to threats or opportunities at a moment's notice, outpacing adversaries with ease. Its tailless delta-wing design isn't just for looks, it maximizes both speed and stealth, allowing the jet to slice through the air with minimal drag and radar signature, making it a true phantom in the sky. Next-gen radar-absorbent materials and shielded exhausts make it nearly invisible across the electromagnetic spectrum, evading detection from even the most advanced enemy sensors. This all-aspect stealth lets the F-47 penetrate deep into enemy airspace, strike undetected, and return safely, giving commanders new options for surprise and survivability. Designed for the vast Pacific theater, its range is unmatched. The F-47 can operate far from friendly bases, deep into contested territory, without constant tanker support, a true force multiplier. With a larger internal fuel capacity, it can escort bombers, conduct long patrols, and hold distant targets at risk, projecting power across oceans and continents. Inside, the pilot becomes a mission commander, managing sensors, weapons, and even drone wingmen through an advanced, AI-driven interface that fuses data from every source. The F-47 turns its pilot into the brain of a vast, interconnected war machine, redefining what a single aircraft can achieve in the battle space of tomorrow. The F-47's true revolution is its artificial intelligence. This isn't autopilot, it's a dynamic co-pilot, analyzing threats, managing sensors, and optimizing tactics in real time. The F-47 commands a team of autonomous drones, issuing high-level orders while the AI executes complex missions. This creates a distributed, resilient force that overwhelms adversaries. Its modular, open architecture design means new sensors, weapons, and software can be rapidly integrated. Software updates roll out like smartphone apps, letting the F-47 adapt to new threats instantly. If a new enemy radar appears, a software patch can counter it fleet-wide within days. The F-47 evolves at the speed of software, staying ahead in the fast-paced world of electronic warfare. The F-47's main rivals are China's J-20 and Russia's Su-57. The J-20 is stealthy from the front, but the F-47's all-aspect stealth and superior sensors give it the edge. The Su-57 is agile, but its stealth lags behind. The F-47's philosophy is to see first, shoot first, and avoid dogfights altogether. With drone wingmen, the F-47 creates tactical dilemmas no single enemy fighter can match. Its system of systems approach, networked drones, sensor fusion, and remote weapons, outclasses evolutionary rivals. The F-47 isn't just a better fighter, it's a revolutionary leap, moving air combat from solo duels to team-based dominance. It's designed to ensure US and Allied air superiority for decades. The F-47 and its collaborative combat aircraft, or CCAs, represent a revolutionary leap in air combat strategy. This new approach is transforming how air forces think about risk, firepower, and survivability in the skies. Rather than sending a $250 million manned jet into the most dangerous parts of the battlefield, commanders can now deploy affordable, expendable drones to handle high-risk missions. These drones can scout ahead, absorb enemy fire, and even sacrifice themselves if needed, all while keeping human pilots out of harm's way. The F-47 acts as a mission orchestrator from a safe distance, directing its CCAs to probe enemy defenses, jam hostile radars, or strike high-value targets. This allows the F-47 to manage the battle with precision, using its drones as extensions of its own capabilities. By staying out of lethal zones, the pilot and the F-47 dramatically increase their chances of survival. The jet can maneuver away from threats while still influencing the fight, making every mission less risky for human life. Networking with CCAs means the F-47 multiplies its firepower exponentially. Each drone brings its own payload of missiles and sensors, creating confusion and overwhelming enemy defenses with sheer numbers and unpredictable attack angles. Missiles can be launched from the drone's position, not just the F-47's, making it much harder for enemies to pinpoint the source of an attack. This tactic masks the F-47's location and saturates enemy defenses, increasing the odds of mission success. In this new era, air superiority isn't about having the single best jet, it's about controlling a networked grid of sensors, shooters, and electronic warfare assets, all working together in real time. The F-47 can share its sensor data with older fighters, naval ships, and ground forces, fusing information from every platform to create a unified, lethal force that's far greater than the sum of its parts. This seamless networking and real-time data sharing are the true heart of the NGAD program, turning air combat into a synchronized, team-based operation where every asset supports the others. With the F-47 at the center, the drone wingman concept is redefining what it means to be a force multiplier in the battle space of tomorrow. Building the F-47 fleet is a massive, costly undertaking. The Air Force plans to buy around 200 F-47s and at least 1,000 CCAs, pairing drones with each manned jet. Each F-47 costs about $300 million, making it one of the most expensive fighters ever. CCAs are far cheaper, $20 to $30 million each, designed to be expendable if lost in combat. The program moved quickly, with a secret demonstrator flying as early as 2020. By 2024, it entered full-scale development, aiming for operational squadrons by 2030. Digital engineering and 3D printing speed up design and production, avoiding the slowdowns of past programs. The goal: a resilient, efficient manufacturing base that can deliver jets and drones at scale. The F-47 is on track to replace the F-22 and define air dominance for the next generation. The F-47 NGAD faces major challenges, starting with its enormous cost, hundreds of billions over its lifetime. Budget pressures and political scrutiny could threaten production numbers and timelines. Integrating next-gen stealth, AI, and autonomous drones is a complex, risky task. Delays have already occurred, with contract awards pushed back and technical hurdles emerging. The biggest challenge: writing secure, effective software to link jets and drones, and defending it from cyber attacks. A single hack could cripple the entire system, making cybersecurity as vital as aerodynamics. Transitioning to NGAD means retraining pilots, maintainers, and rewriting tactics from scratch. Deploying and sustaining a mixed fleet of manned and unmanned systems at forward bases is a logistical puzzle. Managing this transition is as critical as building the hardware itself. The F-47 name is a nod to history. The original P-47 Thunderbolt was a W-defined legend, rugged, powerful, and dominant. In 1947, the Air Force became a separate branch, and the P-47 briefly became the F-47, marking the jet age's dawn. Naming the NGAD jet F-47 signals another epochal shift, from fifth-generation fighters to a new era of AI, autonomy, and networked warfare. It's a tribute to the Air Force's legacy and a statement of its future mission air superiority. The F-47 connects the most advanced fighter ever to a storied past of dominance. The F-47 NGAD is more than the next fighter. It's a transformation in air warfare. A single pilot commanding a swarm of drones moves combat from individual duels to networked battles. Its stealth, electronic warfare, and distributed drone force make it a nightmare for adversaries. The F-47's impact extends beyond air-to-air combat. As a central node in the military's information network, it empowers the entire joint force. Real-time data links provide unified battlefield awareness, making every unit more effective. The F-47 fights for control of information, the true high ground in modern war. It embodies a new doctrine, data and orchestration over individual prowess. Despite challenges, its success will ensure American air supremacy for decades. The sky is about to change forever.